I'm Mrs. Organise and welcome to my channel. Cleaning the toilet is one of those chores where you just want to be in and out of there as quick as you can. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top toilet cleaning tips and ideas to quickly, easily and effectively clean the inside of the toilet, the outside of the toilet, as well as some simple solutions to get rid of stubborn stains at the bottom of the toilet. If you like videos about home organisation, home hacks and life hacks, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it. Before we start cleaning our toilet, let's make sure we have the proper tools in place, as this can make the cleaning process a whole lot faster and easier. The good news is you probably have most, if not all of these already in your home, like disposable gloves, because we don't want cross-contamination. A toilet brush. I have mine installed to the bathroom wall because this makes it easier to clean the floor around the toilet. Toilet cleaning solutions. All of these are readily available at your supermarket, and we'll get into more detail about each of these later. Disposable wipes and paper towels, and an old toothbrush for those nooks and crannies. Cleaning the inside of the toilet does not have to be an arduous or time-consuming task, so here are a few of the quickest, easiest, tried and tested methods I've come up with, which I like to use interchangeably. Squirt toilet gel under the rim of the toilet and let it sit for the recommended time. If you don't like the smell of the bleach, close the toilet lid while you're waiting for the gel to do its job. Use your toilet brush and give it a good, firm scrub. Remember to scrub under the rim of the toilet and around the edge. Flush the toilet and you're done. Denture tablets are used to clean and disinfect dentures or mouth guards, but did you know you can also use them for your toilet? Just pop 1 or 2 denture tablets into your toilet bowl, let it sit for a few minutes until it stops fizzing, and then scrub away. The tablets will kill germs and remove stains without the use of harsh chemicals, and leaves your toilet smelling fresh and minty. What's more, it's cheap and readily available at most supermarkets. If you have any stubborn stains at the bottom of your toilet bowl, a very effective solution to use is a descaler, which you can find at your leading hardware store or supermarket. To clean your toilet, you simply dissolve 1 or 2 tablespoons of descaler in boiling water. Pour it into your toilet bowl and let it sit overnight. In the morning, the stains will disappear, no scrubbing required. Citric acid is another cheap solution you can get from the supermarket, which is a natural and effective way to get rid of those stains that just won't go away. I find 2 tablespoons is enough for mine, but you may need more to get your toilet completely white. Let the citric acid sit in your toilet overnight and voila, you'll have a bright, clean toilet the next morning, no scrubbing required. Another easy, natural and effective cleaning solution to use is lemons and salt. Lemons are highly acidic and naturally antibacterial, making it a great toilet bowl cleaner. Pair it with salt, which is great for tackling grime and stains, and you have yourself a powerful and easy to use toilet cleaner. All you need to do is cut a lemon in half. Squeeze half the lemon in the toilet bowl. Sprinkle in some salt. Mix it with your toilet brush and give it a good, firm scrub. Use the inside of the lemon to scrub the toilet bowl and around the rim. It will leave your toilet smelling more lemony fresh than any toilet cleaner you can buy on the market. When you're done with cleaning, spray your toilet brush with white vinegar, which is naturally antibacterial. Rinse the toilet brush under the running water when you flush the toilet and let it sit under the lid to drip dry for as long as you can before putting it back inside its holder. Now let's quickly talk about cleaning the outside of the toilet, which again does not have to take a lot of time or effort to get great results. I love using white vinegar to clean a lot of my surfaces, as it's cheap, naturally antibacterial and easily available. Simply spray the whole exterior of the toilet with vinegar. Start by using an old toothbrush to clean any nooks and crannies, like around the button and under the seat. I have a stack of old toothbrushes that I keep for cleaning, so I throw mine out after I clean the toilet. But if you want to reuse it for cleaning the toilet, I recommend soaking it in bleach when you're done with it. Now it's time to use our antibacterial disposable wipes. I use 3 wipes for the top, middle and bottom sections of the toilet. Start wiping from the top of the toilet and work your way to the middle. Use a new wipe for each section of the toilet and fold the wipe as you go along so you're using a fresh side for each part of the toilet. Finally, use a fresh wipe to clean the base of the toilet. When you're done wiping, dry the toilet using paper towels. Again, I'm folding the paper towel and using a fresh section as I go along, and I'm using 3 different paper towels for the top, middle and bottom section. Finally, spray the walls and floor around your toilet. It's important to avoid using vinegar, baking soda or anything very acidic around your tile area, as it can eat at and damage your grout. I've mixed a dishwashing liquid with water, which will clean any bacteria around the toilet but won't damage the grout. And I'm using it to spray the walls and floor around the toilet, as this area can get contaminated with bacterial drops when the toilet is flushed. When you've finished spraying, dry the walls and floor with a paper towel. And there you have it, a super clean, sparkling white and fresh smelling toilet in just a few minutes. If you like this video, I think you'll also love these videos, and if you enjoyed the video, please show it by giving it a thumbs up below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, and because you love videos about home organisation, home hacks and life hacks, please click on this button or the red subscribe button below. My question of the day is down here, so please comment right away. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!